Refer to Systems Completion Planning and Organisation Activities from API RP1FSC Table 1. Notice that one of the recommended activities during feed is item L. Define A, B and C check sheets and preservations, responsibilities, requirements and certificates. This corresponds with steps 1 to 3 in the simplified commissioning logic. Model the contract requirements in Zenator and decide which certificate templates to use. Gap analysis. Which certificates to use? Look at the list of certificates and notices supplied with Zenator. Customize these to match the requirements of your project and the contract. Compare the certificates to the templates supplied. If you have a situation with more certificates than templates, then create new certificates to meet contract requirements. For example, use the certificates contained in the contract as exhibits and render these compatible with Zenator, the SCDB. Ensure the sequence in the contract matches that in the completions pyramid and API RP1FSC. Or, if you have a situation with more templates than certificates, select or customize the templates required to meet requirements. From a commissioning perspective, the project is comprised of two types: commissionable tags and non-commissionable tags. Commissionable items. Referred to in this course and across the industry as tagged items, or more simply tags, are two broad component types. These are maintainable items and non-maintainable items. Maintainable items. There are two special types of tags which by definition are both maintainable. These are safety critical and production critical tags. It follows that if an item is safety critical or production critical, then it must be maintainable. The ratio of maintainable items to non-maintainable items on a project is likely to be 5 to 95. Only a very small proportion of the tags on the project will be maintainable, roughly 5%, plus or minus 1%. Safety critical and production critical items are a subset of the maintainable items. Refer to slide 261 for the attributes assigned to tags in Zenator, namely maintainable, safety critical and production critical. Now the non-commissionable items. These are usually civil and structural works with architectural, such as buildings, structure, fabric and cladding, foundations, roads, drainage ditches, lighting standards, stairs, ladders, walkways and access platforms. Punch listing and types of punch list item, or PLI. An essential part in the process of being able to bring complex projects to acceptable completion is the role played by punch listing. All snags and incomplete items are recorded as punch list items, or PLIs. Over the life of the project, each system will get walked many times by formal teams comprising owner and contractor as the overall completion is progressively achieved. Refer to the completions pyramid on slide 264 for the way punch list items are categorized and the priority sequence for their completion. This is explained in more detail on slide 265. Slides 265 to 268. Punch list item categories. Category A PLIs. These must be completed before the tag or system is mechanically complete. Category B. These are allowed to carry over through static commissioning but must be completed before the system is dynamically commissioned. Category C. These must be completed before startup and performance testing is complete. And Category D. These can be completed at the discretion of operations. The times at which punch listing is performed. This can be through ad hoc inspections at any time through the project lifecycle, also during completion of A check sheet and B check sheet activities, or during a formal system walkdown by construction, commissioning and operations. A key message here is to centralize the punch list. Punch list items can originate in third-party databases, but for control and good order, all punch listing must be contained in a single database for which the commissioning manager is the custodian. Use the functionality in Zenator with walkdown capture to record and clear punch list items at every stage in the project lifecycle until final handover to operations. track and monitor PLIs in Xenotor, and see reports in Reports Plus. Refer to slide 269 to see the cyclic process of recording and clearing punch list items in Xenotor using walk-down capture. The entire process is made extremely simple and cost-effective with the use of walk-down capture, saving a great deal of management time that would otherwise be consumed by managing punch list activities. Refer to slides 270 and 271 for the way punch listing is categorized and PLIs are managed in Xenotor.